guys. Another day. Let me get her these. As you can tell, not in my regular truck. Kind of broke it. I was doing the circle check at the end of the day yesterday, and I noticed my leaf springs were a little bit twisted, so that truck's going into the shop to get fixed. Get the center bolt. The center bolt's inside. I don't know if you guys know how leaf springs work, but right in the middle of the leaf springs, there's a bolt that goes right down the middle, holds everything in line, and it's just a 3/8 bolt. So it must have snapped or broke, so all the leads are all crisscrossed from each other. You can see a little gap, them overlapping. They're not straight like they're supposed to be, right? So we got our Freightliner, which is our spare truck. The guys I work with is our spare truck. We don't drive this truck often. It's just the odd time when our truck's going to repair or need something, or rarely. This is an old girl, so it's a 2001 Freightliner. I'm not too sure what the model. It does have a C15, Cat C15 engine in it. Why do you get in front of me and take... There you go. Guy got off, girl, I don't know what it is. Got off the off ramp and then decided to drive 90 kilometers right in front of me. Every day that happens. I think with these Freightliners, these older Freightliners, you feel cramped on the inside. Like the steering wheel, I have the camera pretty much positioned the same spot I do in my other truck, just more closer to the door. But you can see I got the steering wheel in my way, so the other truck, the steering wheel sits lower. And if I do lower the steering wheel this, it sits on my lap. But enough rambling. We're off to Stoufville, picking up 3/4 clear. We got 3/4 clear going to... That's another nice thing with this truck, is the Jake brake. It sounds gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh yeah! Sounds like me when I'm sleeping and snoring. Jake brake. That's a nice Jake brake. So it might get a little loud every once in a while when I'm recording, but like I said, we're off to Stoufville, pick up 3/4 clear, going to Drain Star, Steels and Navy area, I believe it was. I've been there before. I'll put you guys there. You guys won't fall at least, but we're going there. We're gonna pick up one load of clear from there, and then the rest of the day we're gonna go pick up B and then take it to the same place. So, which is good. I like it. Sorry guys, this is the only place. You guys are like pretty much staring at the ceiling there. But at least I know the camera won't fall over there. So I can't be holding on to it either. Cops don't look. They look down on that, so. Pulled in Stoufville, we gotta pick up 3/4 clear. She's at the lower part, so we're gonna go to the back. Not mistaken, where that guy's getting loaded, I believe that's 3/4 crush, and we need 3/4 clear. The difference between crush and clear crush has dirt in it, mixed in with it.
Come on, I'll take 22, please.
And 3/4 clear has just rocks. There's no dirt in it. Give you a quick tour of the truck. Once it focus, yeah, there we go. It's focused down. When it looks like a truck, like all the gauges are individual. They're all in their own little pods. You got your engine gauges here, your temp, oil pressure, this, that. You got your fuel that likes to dance. I don't know what's wrong with that. Battery, you got your 2 air tanks right there. Your engine brake. The cool thing about this engine brake is, if you can see, it says 4-cylinder, 2-cylinder. So that right, what is it? That's off. That's only 2-cylinder engine brake, and then that's a 4-cylinder engine brake. You got your diff locks here, your axle lock, your diff lock, air brakes, your heater control, ashtray, and then you got your dump box stuff here. So tarp here, lift the box up, PTO. You got your tailgate here. See on my Sterling, my lift axle, this is my lift axle here. On my Sterling, my lift axle is on my dash. There's a button on the dash. This one's on the floor here. Every truck's different. Cup holders buried. Like I gotta like navigate all between there just to get coffee. And then when you put it back in, you gotta like. That was, I believe. No wait, that one was factory. But yeah, that's fairly it. But yeah, that's a quick tour of the 2001 Freightliner. Like I said, this thing does have the Cat C15 engine, twin turbo, roughly about the same horsepower as the Sterling that I drive on a regular basis. But that Jake brake though in this thing, just gorgeous. Hard Rock 35, Hard Rock 10 on the plate. Now you can focus on that. Our weight's good though. We're at 34. That's pretty good. We're a ton and a quarter. Could use, but. Just got our ticket. Deals in Leslie area, so. Let's go.
To the 412. Beyond that, you'll find emergency crews now on site blocking the 2 right-hand lanes just after White's Road. It's due to an accident, and that's creating a slowdown for the main lanes off and on from Westney. In Scarborough, the west.
If I had to guess, that's where we're going to be dumping it. Not too bad, you?
Well, we're here.
It's not raining.
It's early.
Thanks for watching. Till next time. What are these guys? What are these people doing? Till next time. See you guys. is completely flooded. And I gotta drive up it. We'll see where this goes. We can't see anymore.